subscribe, and if you want to play on Datdrop, go over here, use promo code NOVA with 3 O's. That'll help me out a lot. So we got 100 bucks in the balance, and we're gonna start off with a $30 battle. CT. Alright, well this started, so let's see, Hustler. Bob, we take that. Alright. Alright, I'm pulling that. Great tickets. I got shafted then. Everyone did. Okay ticket. And meh. Alright, we won that, that's cool, but I don't know if it paid 31. 35. Oh, $5 profit, alright. Join Watson. Okay, Watson. Fine. Alright, here we go. Sit back down. Let's go. New Year case. That's terrible. Oh my god, none of us pulled anything. We're behind by a few bucks. Okay, so we're up, but we're not winning. Alright, so we lost.
You tripping, bro? You tripping?
I didn't pay at all. No. 31, yeah. Cram some extra rifles and a hustler. 2 hustlers, yeah. Wow, look at that. $44 battle, 2-way. I'm joining CT side again. I mean, 10 classifies is a nice one. Okay, so he hit a dumb high ticket. I hit a normal ticket. So we're down like $8. We're down this, 28. Oh no, 12. Might be up now. I don't know. If we pull again, did we win? That's so close. Oh, that paid so nice. Alright, so that's $36, Bob. We're gonna do inequality. $36 equality. Let's go. Alright, sit back down. Oh my god. First case, $20 lead on their end. Now it's like a $9 lead. And it's back up. Sit back down, just carrying. Oh, that's hot. That's a hot payout. 57 for an $87 battle. Okay. I want a 59. Alright. If we win this and hit like a high ticket, it could pay big. That's if we don't hit high. Alright, we didn't hit high in the first. He did. So he's got the lead. And we take those. Did it pay? I don't think so. About 10 bucks. We're at 83. Let's do it again. Let's actually make like 4 of these fall by an ICESTORM. 2v2. Going on T side this time. Oh wow, my battle was actually about to pop. Alright, so people like this one. Let's see. Alright, terrible tickets. Terrible-ish tickets. Alright, so he pulled good. We just want to keep low and then hit on the growl. Like, yeah, I pulled nothing at all, and then growl case, or ice storm. It's that easy. Nice little 77 win. Okay. This battle looks nice. Alright, well this one started, so let's just watch this real quick. Alright, we're in the lead. Yeah, it's just this one. Think he won? My dude right here didn't pull anything. Alright, the real battle started. Let's go. Oh, we're down by 13. Oh, that would have been a fucking insane row for them. Okay, he's just pulling. Oh, man. Oh my god, you pulled nothing, sit back. 66, so alright, last one. The $65 battle, so I'm gonna join this 23 down here with Black Mamba. Okay, so we're down $2-ish. I paid nothing. Prison case is where it's at. Okay. Oh no. They're winning. Yeah, they... Oh wait, we won. I think. Oh yeah, we did win. Damn, that paid nice. 56 for a 23 battle. That was not looking bad. Got 11 left, so let's join the $30 battle, yeah. What's it at 56 here? Oh, that's like yeah. Wow, back to back. I'm so mad. Back-to-back 90 seconds. I can't cash at 86. That would just be too stupid.